I specifically came to HBS to found and start my own business.
Entrepreneurship has always been something that I've been interested in, but was a little too afraid to get close to.
The Rock Center, it's a center for entrepreneurship for HBS. So what the MBA program does is it takes individuals and helps them become leaders. What the Rock Center does is then take the people from there who are leaders and help them actually make a difference in the world.
We have about 163 students this year as part of our Rock Summer Fellows program, and many of them are all over the world.
For me, having geographic flexibility was a very important part of the program because I know I wanted to start something in New York.
It was a non-negotiable for us to be in India if we're going to be building in India.
The cool thing about the online classroom is that all of us were able to convene in one location and really just share our ideas, learn from each other, and build on that community.
In the beginning, the Rock Fellowship is a challenge and you're completely self-directed.
I found entrepreneurship to be lonely as a path.
This notion of I'm just jumping into this area without a net can be daunting.
We'll be in the live online classroom and we'll be talking about an issue where one of the students will pitch their companies, and the support is palpable and the feedback is so productive and helpful, and they connect with each other to find resources.
Because of the way it's set up, there's a human connection that comes through that is the next best thing to literally being around a table and sharing a pizza.
The live online classroom is probably as close as you can get to replicating the HBS classroom experience.
The community that we had in the classroom was an incredible sounding board. So if someone shared something they were working on, we were all using the chat function to give each other like tips or, hey, I've been through this as well.
Everybody goes crazy on the board, and it's just so wonderful to celebrate because you know that person's been working on that for months.
So why is this path so hard, and what makes it worthwhile?
Being an entrepreneur is not necessarily having this bright idea, but instead it's a process of finding the right solution. I never saw myself as an entrepreneur, and now I can totally see that being a path forward.
Through entrepreneurship and the work we do at the Rock Center, we're arming them to know how to solve real problems.
So the people who choose this path are those who are motivated primarily by the ability to create something that improves people's lives.